Selamat pagi, Indonesia. Thank you very much for joining us today. First of all, let me thank Master Systems, our business partner in Indonesia, for putting this event together. So, as you all know by now, we are living in unprecedented times. We all are challenged to the core. The HR department, HR organization has to start innovating. They have never seen such attention like this in the past. So, this COVID-19 have actually made a huge disruption for the HR to really innovate. So, what we are going to do today is to share how technology, the kind of technology that we have been built and we are continuously innovating to help all our customers across the world to navigate through these challenging times. Because the whole workplace, or the rather the physical office that we used to know, the workforce, the employees, and the work itself is really disrupted. And this has actually challenged everybody. Now, if you look at the picture on screen, the first picture shows how I used to travel. I'm someone who extensively travel. I used to come to Jakarta every month. The first picture you see is a picture that was taken around January. And the second picture is towards late February. That was my last business trip. And that was when I was traveling from Kuala Lumpur to Cambodia. I have to wear a mask. It's a new experience for me. And since then, you won't believe I'm grounded. I have never been grounded for this long, ever in my whole history. So around March, we as a company, no sooner the WHO declared this as a global pandemic, overnight decided to switch all our offices in Kuala Lumpur and in Colombo, Sri Lanka for remote working. And everybody is being asked to work from home. Now, how did we do that? We have been become a digital company by 2019. All the technology product solutions that we use to manage our workforce, run our operations are all on cloud. So since switching to remote work, we have never seen any issue. We use Microsoft 365 Productivity Suite. We use MyHCM, our own digital HR system, extensively to manage the workforce. We have done a lot of innovation, which we are going to talk about it, and host of other products and services, which are all on cloud. So this transition and working from home remotely, it hasn't been an issue at all for us. We have multitude of solutions. So over the last 3 months, since people went for lockdowns, lots of companies across, not only in Southeast Asia, across the globe started reaching out to us, asking for various solutions: how to manage remote workforce, how to manage their check-in, check-out, leave, how to see whether they are productive at work, how can we manage their performance, how can we now deliver learning, because delivering learning in a classroom environment is a thing of the past now with the pandemic. So how do you deliver content digitally and keep your employees growing, and how do you give the best experience for employees wherever they are working and ensure their work get executed, and also their well-being and everything is looked after. We have solutions for small businesses, very large enterprises, and also we have built a product HR bot for Microsoft Teams. And this is one of the first in entire Asia Pacific region. And we are going to talk more about it today because this is a very innovative solution. If you are an organization who is using Microsoft Teams for all the collaboration, by installing this digital assistant, you can execute multitude of tasks. We have packaged lots of solutions for managing people who are working from home and also working remotely, and also people who have implemented hybrid options where some people go back to work on a rotational rostered basis. Some people are given the choice to work from home. We deliver this experience through mobile, web, as well as innovative chatbots. And all these products, except for the chatbot, are localized to Bahasa Indonesia. Our mobile app, our web interfaces are in Bahasa Indonesia. So we give a single experience across all the channels, not only for very basic things like check-in, check-out. It has all the other functionality as well. Even you can do performance feedback if you want to through the system. And most of the other things like issuing notices, all these things will be done through mobile app and web. But one of the products that I like to quickly touch base, which will be extensively demonstrated later, is our digital assistant. So this, as I said earlier, is one of the first in the entire Asia Pacific region. we were the first to build a product for HR. This product can work across any HR product. It doesn't necessarily need to be MyHCM. We can integrate to any other third-party HR system. It can execute multitude of HR services from check-in, check-out. It's really beautiful experience. In the morning, it will say good morning to you and will ask whether you are working today and whether you are checking to work from home or any other location. And then it will allow you to do multitude of other HR services like apply leave, requests for various things. And also the HR department can send various notices, do surveys, leave approvals. And when it comes to productivity, end of the day, after you check out, you can submit the work that you have accomplished for the day. So all the tasks that you need to execute will be shown. It will give access to your pay slips. We are bringing expense claims to it, requesting for loans, all those things. And also, very interestingly, health and well-being aspect as well. So thank you very much for joining our session today.